A very good morning, everyone. Myself Rahul Kumar. We are going to launch a complete study note courses. The paper is Environmental Science. The code number is 89. These are the syllabus of under the guidance of the UGC. What we are giving these are syllabus. The first syllabus is the fundamental environmental science. There are 10 united and 10 unit. The weightage of unit is different. We are going to discuss all the units in one by one in upcoming the lecture we uploaded. We are providing the first unit is the fundamental environmental science. We are taking not more than we have completed this lecture is approx 5 hours. Okay, the 5 hours of content. 1 minute. The 5 hour this is the content. Okay, the environmental science, the weightage is 1 to 2 questions coming in almost every examination. The second unit is environmental science. We are taking the completed courses approach 10 hour. We have discussed here is all the environmental chemistries and oceanic chemistries we are discussed here. The main portion is environmental biologies. We are taking up to 20 to 30 hours to complete this syllabus. We including like noise. We including here is soil portion is also. The third is environmental geology, geoscience. This is not geology. This is geoscience. We have completed this course approx 10 hour. Okay, the energy and environment we completed 15 hours. We taking the classes. The second is environmental pollution control. We are taking almost 30 hours. This is a huge units. We are covered here the soil, noise, air, water. Okay, the solid and hazardous waste management. We are taking 15 hours. Lectures completed. And environmental assessment and management legislation. We are taking almost 10 hours. Discussion completely. And the third stats and approach is taking 25 hours. The lectures. 1 minute. $25. And last, this is a contemporary environmental issues. This is a current affair. This topic is like a current affair, and some rules like we have discussed here is like Chipko Andolan, Epico movement. Okay, the Narmada Bachao Andolan. Many more things they are discussed. We are taking not more than this 10-hour classes. These are the plan for that completed the lecture. We are taking 5, 10. This is 30 hours class lectures. This is a whole the portion with the complete. The question is coming. This topic is more and more. Okay, we're taking 13 hour, the 10-hour class. The which portion is very important for the UGC net. The portion is like environmental biology. First, environmental energy environment. The third, the huge, all the competitive exam like we say that like pollution control board, CPCB, and all the UGC net examination and SET examination. This portion is very important. Okay, we have discussed here is air, water, soil, noise. Okay, water, this nuclear power plant. Okay, and soil waste management. And these portions is very important for all the interviewers, and we have to discuss when we going to in PhD course. When you enroll in PhD, we have to doing research. The stats approach and the modeling in environments is very important. Okay, what in the next portion we see we look in here. Okay, what are the subtopics? These are fundamental environmental science. The subtopics are like a structure, atmospheric, atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere, thermodynamic, law of thermodynamic, meteorological parameter like pressure, temperature, precipitation, humidity, mixing ratio. These are important topics. Interaction of the mankind. These are also important, but not more important. This is a one question frequently asked this topic: remote sensing. Okay, one question almost come in this examination: remote sensing. Environmental chemistry. The question is come that previously examination is Gibbs energy. Okay, this is very important. We have discussed here is like oceanic chemistry in detail. Okay, like radioisotopes, like carbonate system. We also discuss here. We also discuss here like some hydrological cycle, BOD, DO. This is discussed in water pollution also. We have discussed in analytical chemistry. Oh, this is analytical chemistry. Okay, this is a huge unit. They always come in every time in UGC NET examination, 20 to 50 question almost, and each and every years. Okay, like the subparts is ecological structure, function, biotic, abiotic components, energy flow in ecosystem. Okay, like nitrogen cycles, carbon cycle, like biomes, biomes, populations, ecosystems, community, niche, like population ecology. We have discussed here. And R selective, K selective, keystone species, meta population. Okay, the community ecology we discuss further, like predation, parasitisms, allopathy. Okay, biodiversity is also come in this exam. So this is a very huge topic. The concept of industrial ecology we discuss. Okay, like the environmental biotechnology also, like bioremediation defined in situ, ex situ. Okay, like biofertilizer, biofuels, and biosensor we discuss. In environmental geology, this portion comes in JNU paper. Okay, JNU exam always ask this topic more and more. Like we discuss origin of Earth. Okay, energy budget we discuss, like igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks, how the rocks are formation, concept of the minerals and rocks we discuss here. We discuss here the correlations for pressure gradient forces, frictional geostrophic wind fields, geostrophic wind, like La Lino, Il Lino concept we discuss. In upcoming lecture we have all discussed, but this session is only for what we are taught. What is the syllabus? First of all, we discuss here what is the syllabus in the UGC NET examination for the paper environment science code number 89. Okay. We discuss the water in earth, hydrosphere, hydrology measures things. Okay. We discuss here like Darcy law. Okay. We discuss here like Bowman action series, like paleoclimate, the study of rocks, the paleoclimate, some major like natural hazards we discuss, like flood, landslide, earthquake, volcano, avalanche, tsunami, cloudburst. Okay. We discuss these units, energy and environment. They always come in 8 to 10 question. Okay, 8 to 10 question, and sometimes 12 question will come this portion in environment. We discuss here like one by one, like renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, the renewable, so like sun, solar radiation we discuss, like coal, like hydropower, tides, ocean, thermal energy conversion, wind power, geothermal energy, solar collector, photovoltaic module, solar pond. We discuss nuclear energy, like fission, what is fission, what is fusion. Okay, bioenergy we discuss, and this is current affair, like environmental impact, what the portion of carbon dioxide is emission. These things are discussed, and this is very important unit. Okay, energy, environmental pollution, like we discuss air pollution in detail, like what is the criteria pollutant. Okay, what is sampling of monitoring the air pollutant. Okay, ambient air quality standard. These questions come in the last examination. Okay, the mixing ratio, mixing height, plume behavior, like line sources and area sources modeling, and many more things discussed, like the noise pollution. We also discuss like L90, L10, L50. Okay, LD15, LD19, active and passive. Okay, water pollution we discuss here. We discuss DO, BOD, pH, electrical, many more things we discuss. And for like the water to treatment, primary, secondary, advanced treatment, commonly effluent treatment. Like soil pollution we discuss, like the horizon, texture, structure, organic compound, analytical of soil quality, soil pollution control. Okay, thermal marine pollution we discuss, and the 6 units we discuss, like solid and hazardous waste management. Okay, the solid waste, like what type of sources, solid waste characteristic, generation of rate, solid waste component, proximate and ultimate analysis of solids waste. Okay, solid waste collection and transportation containing system. We discuss like sanitary landfilling. We have discussed like the topics is discussed here is we discuss here like the recycling, recovering of materials, like the 3R rules to reduce, recycle, and reuse. We discussed the solid waste management process, and then there are some low also like e-waste, plastic waste rules. Okay, like hazardous waste, type of hazardous waste. Okay, the e-waste, fly waste, and plastic waste we'll discuss further. Environmental assessment and management legislation like EIE. Okay, we here discuss EIE, environmental impact assessment, environmental management. Okay, what is the guideline of EIE? We discuss what is the method of to do an EIE. Some ISO 140,000 series. We discuss eco labeling, eco mark. Like India has the earthen port is eco mark. These are law. We discuss. We was roughly in mind you. I put in here. We discuss like the Article 48A and 51A, wildlife protection, forest conservation, like Environmental Protection Act, Biodiversity Act. Okay, many more rules and regulations we discuss in the upcoming lectures. The paid lecture when we launching here. What I am giving you, these are the topics. These are in environmental science. We discuss in this is completely course is 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 months to complete the whole syllabus. Okay, the last stats the two things like division of the stats is like that. We discuss mean, median, mode, central tendency, dispersion, moments, kurtosis, t-test, z-test, chi-square test, ANOVA test, one way, two way ANOVA, confidence limit. Okay, Lotka-Volterra model. Okay, we discuss. And the last unit, environmental issues like global environmental issues like biodiversity loss, climate loss, ozone layer. Sorry, and national action plan on climate change. These are 8 national action plan like solar mission, enhance energy efficiency, sustainable habitat, and the current affair. This topic is mainly basically the current. All that when the question is coming in exams on the current affair, this unit is coming. We discuss like Narmada Bachao Andolan, Tehri Dam, Amti Dam, okay, Kaveri, hydropower project, Jammu and Kashmir. Like Griha rating is coming in 2019 question, 2020 exam. Okay, like Swachh Bachao Andolan, the water management, the vehicular norms. These are diseases like fluoride, dengue. Okay, these are the environmental disasters like the Minamata disease. Minamata disease happening for the mercury, Hg. Okay, and Fukushima is happening for the nuclear disasters, and the Chernobyl is 1989. This Chernobyl disasters. We are launching the complete courses in a complete platform. A platform with the Devakar Education Hub. This is a very prestigious platform, and the content are very premium. These are the demo lecture is uploaded in the Devakar Education Hub. All the viewers, all the students who want to buy this course, the price of the courses is 4,000. Okay, the 4,000 completely course package. Okay, for 6 months. Okay, the validity of the course is 6 months. Okay, what we are providing in the 6 months, we have completed guidance the courses, we have the providing the notes books and many more things like test series is providing. Okay, thank you. And I have any query, we have to ask the query in the Devakar Education Hub YouTube channels, and there is also giving the phone number. Directly ask this, what the purpose, what is the benefit of the course, and what the content. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.